Pune and beyond. A cultural and culinary expedition. History of Pune. Pune, often referred to as the Oxford of the East or the cultural capital of Maharashtra, stands as a vibrant metropolis with a rich historical and cultural tapestry. Nestled in the western state of Maharashtra, India, Pune has evolved from its ancient roots as a prominent seat of Maratha power to become a thriving hub of education, technology, and diverse industries. In recent years, Pune has emerged as a significant player in the information technology, IT, and automotive sectors, with many multinational companies setting up operations in the city. This transformation has led to a surge in economic growth and urban development, making Pune a key player in India's rapidly evolving economic landscape. The city is also renowned for its culinary delights, reflecting a diverse range of flavors and cuisines. From traditional Maharashtrian dishes to international fare, Pune's culinary scene is a testament to its cosmopolitan nature. Shaniwar Wada, a historic citadel of Pune. Nestled in the heart of Pune, Shaniwar Wada stands as a testament to the rich historical legacy of the Maratha Empire. Built in 1732 by the Peshwa Bazi Rao I, this formidable fortress was intended to serve as the seat of the Peshwas, the prime ministers of the Maratha rulers. Shaniwar Vada, named after the Marathi words Shaniwar, Saturday, and Vada, residence, was constructed with immense grandeur, featuring imposing walls, magnificent gates, and lush gardens. Despite facing destruction in a fire in 1828, Shaniwar Wada remains a prominent historical landmark in Pune. The fort's majestic remains continue to draw history enthusiasts, offering a glimpse into the bygone era of Maratha splendor. Aga Khan Palace, a monument of national significance. Aga Khan Palace, situated on the banks of the Mulla River, holds a special place in India's history as a symbol of the country's struggle for independence. Built in 1892 by Sultan Muhammad Shah Aga Khan III, this grand palace was originally constructed as a charitable endeavor to provide employment to the famine-stricken local population. The palace's architecture is a blend of Italian and Mughal styles, featuring spacious corridors, elegant arches, and a beautiful garden. The Samadhi Memorial of Kasturba Gandhi and Mahadev Desai is located on the palace grounds, further enhancing the historical significance of this iconic structure. Open to the public, Aga Khan Palace not only preserves a crucial chapter in India's fight for freedom but also offers a serene escape in the midst of Pune's bustling urban landscape. Vibrant culture Koregaon Park, MG Road. Koregaon Park is a chic and cosmopolitan locality that has become synonymous with Pune's contemporary lifestyle. Lined with trendy boutiques, upscale cafes, and art galleries, this area attracts a diverse crowd of locals and tourists alike. The Osho International Meditation Resort, a prominent spiritual center, adds a unique dimension to Koregaon Park's cultural fabric. Mahatma Gandhi Road, commonly known as MG Road, is a bustling thoroughfare that serves as the commercial and cultural heart of Pune. Lined with shops, theatres, and historic buildings, MG Road is a captivating blend of the old and the new. The street is a shopper's paradise, offering everything from traditional markets to contemporary boutiques, showcasing the city's diverse retail landscape. Culinary delights Pune street food tour. Vada Pav at JJ Garden Vada Pav stall. Begin your street food exploration with a classic favorite, Vada Pav. Head to JJ Garden Vada Pav stall, where the spicy potato filling encased in a crispy gram flour coating is sandwiched between soft puff, bread, and served with chutneys. This humble yet iconic street snack captures the essence of Pune's street food culture. Misal pav at Bedekar tea stall. No street food tour in Pune is complete without indulging in misal pav, a spicy sprouted lentil curry garnished with assorted toppings and served with pav. Bedekar tea stall is renowned for its authentic misal pav, delivering a burst of flavors that reflects the city's culinary diversity. Bun Maska and Irani Chai at Good Luck Cafe. Step into the charming ambience of Good Luck Cafe on Ferguson College Road, an iconic establishment that has been serving delectable bun maska and Irani chai for decades. Savor the simplicity of buttered buns paired with a cup of strong, aromatic tea, a delightful blend of Iranian and Maharashtrian culinary influences. Pune's hiking trails nature escapes Mulshi Lake and Tamhini Ghat. Sinhgad Fort, perched atop the rugged cliffs of the Sahyadri mountain range, Sinhgad Fort stands as a symbol of valor, history, and natural beauty. Located approximately 30 kilometers southwest of Pune, Maharashtra, this historic fort has witnessed centuries of strategic importance, changing hands several times under different rulers. Originally known as Kondhana Fort, Sinagara has a rich history dating back to the 17th century. The fort is famous for the Battle of Sinhagara in 1670, where Tanaji Malusre, a Maratha warrior, displayed exemplary courage and sacrifice. The name Sinhagara, meaning lion's fort in Marathi, was given in honor of Tanaji, whose pet name was Sinha, lion. Trekking enthusiasts find Sinhagara to be a popular destination, with trekking trails leading from the base to the summit. The trek, though challenging, is rewarding as it unfolds scenic vistas and provides glimpses of the fort's historical remnants along the way. Mulshi Lake and Tamhini Ghat, nestled in the western Ghats of Maharashtra, Mulshi Lake and Tamhini Ghat offer a scenic retreat, captivating visitors with their natural beauty, lush landscapes, and tranquil surroundings. These destinations, located near Pune, provide a perfect escape from the urban hustle, inviting nature enthusiasts and travelers to immerse themselves in the serenity of the Sahyadri Mountains. Mulshi Lake, an expansive reservoir formed by the Mulshi Dam on the Mula River, is surrounded by picturesque hills and dense forests. The pristine blue waters of the lake against the backdrop of the Sahyadris create a mesmerizing tableau. Visitors can experience the tranquility of Mulshi Lake by taking a boat ride, soaking in the serene ambience, enjoying the panoramic views. The lake and its surrounding greenery attract a variety of bird species, making it a heaven for bird watchers and natul. Spiritual retreat Jejuri and Bhuleshwar Temple. Located southeast of Pune, Jejuri is a small town renowned for its iconic Khandoba temple. Dedicated to Lord Khandoba, a deity considered to be an incarnation of Lord Shiva, this temple attracts pilgrims, devotees, and tourists alike. The Khandoba temple, characterized by its vibrant exterior painted in shades of saffron and adorned with intricate sculptures, is the centerpiece of Jejuri. Lord Khandoba is revered as the god of Jejuri, and the temple witnesses a surge of devotees during the annual Jejuri Yatra, a grand celebration that draws people from across Maharashtra. Bhuleshwar Temple, a marvel of medieval architecture, nestled amidst the scenic beauty of the Yavat Hills, Bhuleshwar Temple is an ancient shrine dedicated to Lord Shiva. Bhuleshwar Temple has historical significance, believed to have been built during the Yadava dynasty. It served as a fortification during various periods, and the temple walls bear witness to the traces of battles. A notable feature of the temple complex is the large Yoga Narsimha statue, depicting Lord Vishnu in a yogic posture. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification of my new video.